Planning your Instagram feed can be challenging, especially if your goal is to share high-quality posts on a consistent basis. Luckily, there are some great apps that you can use to manage your posts and plan the layout of your feed. Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Lucas here from Snappa, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best apps to use for planning your Instagram feed. Let's get right into it. The first app on the list is Planoly. It's a user-friendly app that you can use for both Instagram and Pinterest. On the left side is your grid, where you can drag and rearrange photos to plan your Instagram feed. To add new photos to your grid, you can click New Post and upload photos from your computer or other sources. If you're starting out with their free plan, you get 30 uploads per month per profile. You can also upload stories to your feed by clicking Add Story. And if you don't have any media to work with, you can actually click Discover and search through stock images from Unsplash and Pexels to add to your grid. On the right side, you'll find your calendar, which you can use to schedule posts and map out your timeline over the week or the month. If I drag an image from my grid to a day on the calendar, I can add in a caption with hashtags and schedule my post for a specific time on that day. To actually auto-post to Instagram, you'll need an Instagram business account. And if you want to use Planoly's premium features, such as adding filters or scheduling videos and reels, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. But in terms of basic feed planning and scheduling, the free plan works just fine. Once you click Save, your post will be scheduled and you'll be able to view it on your calendar. They also have a mobile app that is worth checking out if you're looking to do some quick planning on the go. For the most part, it works well, but I definitely prefer the desktop version for a more fluid experience. Overall, Planoly is a great planning app to use for arranging your grid and scheduling your posts. The experience will be a lot more beneficial if you have an Instagram business account because you'll be able to check out useful analytics, respond to comments, and auto-post. However, if you're just looking for a free app to visualize your grid and set a post schedule, then Planoly can definitely help you get the job done. The next app on the list is Preview. Their free plan comes with a great range of features such as unlimited posts, photo editing tools, basic analytics, and more. You can link one Instagram account, but you won't be able to use the desktop version unless you're on a paid plan. However, there's no need to worry because their mobile app is fantastic. Right off the bat, Preview's interface is clear and easy to use. You can tap the plus button in the top right corner to upload photos to your grid, and you can use your thumb to rearrange photos and plan your feed. The Preview app is much more responsive and fluid compared to Planoly's mobile app. If you tap on a photo, a toolbar at the bottom pops up where you can add filters and make more precise photo editing adjustments. I'm really impressed with the amount of editing features that they offer on the free plan. You can also add your captions and hashtags and style them with cool fonts as well. It's really easy to schedule posts by using the tab at the bottom, but if you want Preview to auto-post for you, then you'll have to upgrade to their premium plan. Using the tabs at the top, you can also plan your reels, videos, and stories as well. And you also have your calendar and analytics tools located at the very top. Overall, I'm blown away with how easy Preview is to use, and the amount of great features that they include on their free plan. Even though the desktop version is only available for paid users, I think the mobile app is perfect if you're just looking to plan your feed and schedule your posts in a simple, efficient way. The last app on the list is Unum. It's a sleek Instagram planner with a very unique interface. You can use Unum to create visual spaces and plan your content for Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and Facebook. Once you create a space for your Instagram feed, you can upload photos by clicking Add Media. After your photos are added, you can simply drag and drop to rearrange them on your grid. And if you don't have all of your photos ready to upload, you can always add a row or add a placeholder to fill in the blank space. The controls are very smooth and seamless for planning and rearranging your feed. If you click on a photo and select Edit, you'll be able to type in your caption and hashtags, and you can also edit your photo as well. Unum lets you crop, add a filter, and make more specific adjustments, such as changing the contrast, saturation, exposure, and more. You can also use the Annotate tab to draw on your images and add various shapes and text. This is a really cool feature that they have available on the free plan. If you use their mobile app, you also get access to the scheduler, where you can set reminders for your Instagram posts. However, this feature doesn't seem to be available on the desktop version. Overall, Unum is a great app to use if you're looking to plan your grid with ease and if you want a solid range of photo editing tools. It's also a good choice if you plan on connecting accounts from different social media platforms, but it does seem to be lacking scheduling and calendar tools on the desktop version. For my final thoughts, I'd say that I had the best overall experience using Preview. Their free plan is just packed with features, and the UI is so seamless and pleasant to use. All of the tools and controls are laid out perfectly. However, if using desktop mode is a must, then I think you'll be happy with either Planoly or Unum. If you're Instagram focused and prefer to plan your posts with an integrated calendar, then Planoly is the way to go. But if you're looking for great photo editing tools and you want to plan for multiple social media platforms, then Unum is definitely the choice for you. Well, that wraps up today's video. Hopefully these apps can help you plan your feed and manage your Instagram account. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.